Hi and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you manage your soothing sounds on One More Music app with your One More stylish wireless headphones. Let's get started. At first we have to open our One More Music app and remove our headphones from the case, just like that. Now we have to click connect, and as you can see, they're connecting now. Now we have to click soothing sounds, and we are ready to go. We can choose between all of them and we can sleep with them. That's it for today. Goodbye.